to help businesses understand, assess, and respond to requests for reasonable accommodation under the Americans with Disabilities Act, ADA, Equal Employment Opportunity Commission, EEOC laws, and applicable state and local government regulations, Personnel Concepts has developed the Reasonable Accommodations eLearning program for employers and managers. Knowing how to respond to reasonable accommodations requests and avoid discriminatory practices is crucial for employers. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, 1 in 4 adults has some type of disability. The ADA is a civil rights law that prohibits discrimination against individuals with disabilities. Meanwhile, EEOC anti-discrimination laws protect several classes, including the disabled. Penalties for violating EEOC standards vary by employer size, but can be as high as $300,000 per violation. This training module will help employers understand reasonable accommodations for affected individuals under applicable laws and how to assess and respond to those requests. After purchasing this program, you can access and distribute the full interactive Reasonable Accommodations eLearning program for employers and managers. This module covers the following important information: an overview of reasonable accommodations, reasonable accommodations for applicants, interviewees, and employees, common reasonable accommodations. The digital training program also contains activity checks and a quiz to check comprehension, as well as digital resources for users, including a request for accommodation form, a reasonable accommodation assessment checklist, a sample company reasonable accommodations policy, and an employee training handout. Also included is a standalone interactive reasonable accommodations assessment tool and a legal brief on the connection between COVID-19 and workplace disabilities. The items included within the Reasonable Accommodations eLearning program for employers and managers are updated automatically with any new and important information and are available for immediate reference. If you have any questions about this or other products and services, please contact a Personnel Concepts customer service representative. Thank you for allowing us to be your compliance partner. For additional information from Personnel Concepts on human resources-related topics, select a video on the screen. Subscribe now for HR and labor law updates.